Welcome to Searching for Content in the Navistar Learning Portal. In this brief tutorial, you'll learn what's new in the portal, you'll learn how to open the Learning Portal, you'll use the search bar, and you'll narrow your searches using filters. Finally, we'll launch content. So what's new in the Learning Portal? Well, the Learning Portal includes the Leadership Advantage traditional courses, which are typically 2 hours in length. They're broken down into segments, but they're really meant for people who can sit down and work on learning for an extended period of time. What we've added to the Learning Portal is the Cornerstone Content Anytime library, and this is provided by many leading providers. And most of the content is broken down into 3 to 15-minute segments, so it's much easier to consume and find time for learning. So how do you get to the Navistar Learning Portal? It's pretty easy. You go to Navistar Connect, you select Learning from the first drop-down, and then you will be taken to the Learner homepage. Now let's look at the Learning Portal with an actual demo. So this is what you'll see when you land on the Learner homepage. You'll see some information about my prior use of the Learning Portal up here. You'll also see a section called Playlists. We'll take that up in another learning video. But most importantly, you'll see the search bar up here. And this is the primary way you're going to search for content. So let's begin with a search on customer service. And as I type that in, what you'll see is a drop-down menu that actually takes me to specific courses related to customer service. So if I like one of those courses and I want to check that out, I simply click on it and I'll be taken directly to that course. If I want to find out other courses that are available in the system, I simply hit return and I'm taken to the Browse Learning page. Here, I'm given a list of all the resources related to customer service in the system. Now, I come up with 154 results, which is a lot, so I might want to narrow that down. To do that, I'll use the filters. I can filter by duration, so I can just pick courses that are under 15 minutes. I can select by the type, and typically I'm looking at online classes. We'll skip the subject session for now, and ratings will come when more people use the system, but I can also select by the vendor, and this is nice because I might want to select a suite of courses that are produced by the same vendor and have a lot of continuity with them. So in this case, I'm going to choose Grovo. And then I'm just taken to the Grovo learning classes on customer service, and you can see that I have 16 results, which is much more manageable using the filters. From here, I can select any title that I want. Let's say respond quickly to customer service. Click on that, and I launch the course. And you'll see the course comes up in a smaller screen. I make that screen larger.
In 2015, customer service platform Desk.com surveyed over 2,000 people on what makes a customer service interaction positive or negative for them. 30% of the respondents said that they consider.
And that's how you search for content in the Navistar Learning Portal.